Maria at the park.
It is Saturday morning in San Francisco. The sun shines through Maria's small bedroom window. She slowly opens her eyes and smiles. The room is quiet, except for one little sound. She hears a bird singing outside. Maria stretches her arms and takes a deep breath. She feels happy and calm. She likes mornings like this. She gets out of bed and puts on her slippers. The wooden floor feels cool under her feet. Maria walks to the kitchen and makes a cup of tea. The warm tea smells sweet and comforting. She holds the cup in both hands and takes a slow sip. Then she makes a small breakfast, one slice of toast with strawberry jam and a banana. She eats slowly and looks out the window. Outside, the street is quiet. She sees a car drive by slowly. A man walks his dog down the sidewalk. A gentle breeze moves the tree branches, and a few leaves fall to the ground. Maria thinks, I love mornings like this. She decides to go for a walk in the park. The park is only 10 minutes from her apartment. She likes walking there on quiet mornings. Maria goes to her room to get ready. She puts on a soft sweater and her comfortable shoes. Before leaving, Maria gives her new cat, Luna, some food and water. Be good, Luna, she says. Luna meows and curls up by the window. Then she takes her small bag and keys. She locks her apartment door and steps outside. The air feels cool and fresh. She hears the sound of the wind in the trees. A man rides by on a bicycle and his little bell rings. A neighbor is watering her plants on the porch. Maria waves and says, Good morning. The neighbor smiles and waves back. Maria walks slowly down the sidewalk. She feels happy and peaceful. She notices the colors of the houses and the flowers in the windows. A bird hops across the path in front of her. She passes by a bakery and smells warm bread and sweet pastries. She thinks, maybe I will buy bread after my walk. After 10 minutes, Maria arrives at the park. She sees tall green trees, colorful flowers, and a small pond. The grass is bright and fresh from last night's rain. She takes a deep breath. The air smells clean, with a hint of wet leaves and flowers. Maria starts walking along the path. She listens to the birds singing. In the distance, she hears dogs barking and children laughing. A light breeze moves her hair. She feels the sun on her face. She finds a wooden bench under a big tree. She sits down and rests for a moment. She closes her eyes and listens carefully. She can hear the wind, the birds, and the soft voices of people in the park. She feels calm and thankful for the peaceful morning. Maria opens her eyes and looks around. She sees a group of children playing tag. They run and laugh across the grass. A man jogs past, listening to music with headphones. A woman sits on a blanket, reading a book under the sun. Two teenagers ride by on skateboards, laughing loudly. A small white dog runs toward Maria. It stops and looks at her with big eyes. Then its owner walks up and smiles. Hello, the woman says. Hello, Maria answers. The dog sniffs Maria's hand. She gently pets its soft fur. The dog wags its tail and licks her fingers. Maria laughs. He likes you, the woman says. Maria smiles and says, He is very cute. They talk for a minute about the weather and the park. The woman says she comes to the park every morning. Maria thinks it is nice to meet friendly people in her neighborhood. Maria continues walking along the path. She sees ducks swimming in the pond. The water moves slowly, and the ducks quack softly. She watches the sun sparkle on the water. She passes a tall tree and touches its rough bark. She feels connected to the simple beauty around her. After some time, Maria decides to go home. She takes one last look at the park. She loves the green trees, the sound of birds, and the smiling people. It is a simple day, but it feels special. Maria walks home slowly. She feels relaxed and peaceful. When she arrives, she makes another cup of tea. She sits by the window and remembers the children, the dog, and the ducks. She thinks, next time I will bring a book and stay longer. She smiles, feeling happy about her quiet morning at the park. Maria looks over at Luna, still sleeping by the window. She smiles again and thinks, it's nice to come home to a friend. Now, let's think about the story. Try to answer the following questions out loud if possible. Don't worry if your answers aren't perfect, just practice. Questions to ponder. 1. What does Maria do when she first wakes up? 2. How does the air and sky look in the morning? 3. Who does Maria see on her way to the park? 4. What does Maria do in the park? 5. Why does the morning feel special to Maria? Thanks for listening and pondering with us. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next story.